Hello, and welcome to the Web Refinery's video tutorial for updating your working hours and the appointments feature. If you haven't already, go ahead and log in. Once you're logged in, you should be sent to the admin panel. This is where you're going to go to your appointments feature. If we look down here, we'll scroll and you'll see the appointments feature. In the appointments feature, we have appointments, transactions, settings, shortcuts, and the FAQ. For today's tutorial, we'll go ahead and we'll jump into settings. Within settings, we have many tabs. We have the General tab, Google Calendars, Working Hours, Exceptions, Services, Service Providers, Add-ons, and Logs. For today's video, we'll go ahead and select Working Hours. Within Working Hours, we can see currently there's no provider selected. This would change the default hours for everyone involved in this service. For today, I'll go ahead and click Demo User. As you can see, Demo User's hours populated. He doesn't work Sunday, and he also doesn't work Saturday. He works the usual Monday through Friday. This is noted by the yes and no next to work. We can then change his hours by selecting the start time and the end time. Now, this currently is set up to run from 8 o'clock in the morning to 5 o'clock in the evening. If Demo User needed a break, he can go ahead and choose Monday, give a break, and then schedule the time of his break. So he wants to take a usual lunch hour, so we'll give him from 12 to 1. And we'll give him another break on Wednesday because we're generous, and we'll give him an extra half an hour on Wednesday. So now, if a user comes onto the website to schedule an appointment with Demo User, he'll be able to view availability from 8 o'clock to 5 p.m. with a gap between 12 p.m. and 1:30 p.m. So I will go ahead and I'll save my working hours. And you can now see after I saved it, there's these little plus signs that appear. So let's say if, for instance, Demo User on Monday doesn't have that extra half an hour break, well, that's because he wanted to take a second break from 3:30 to 4. Choose 4 o'clock from 3:30 to 4. So now, if a user was to come to the website and attempt to schedule an appointment with Demo User, they would see his availability from 8 to 5. And now, the time periods from noon to 1 and 3:30 to 4 will be blocked out. And I will go ahead and I'll save this again. And that's how you update the working hours.